Hi, I'm Mick with Deslauriers, and today we're going to be talking about choosing the right shim when framing a window. Getting your windows square, level, and plumb is the most important part when choosing a shim. We got a few options for you. Our Horseshoe Shims are a go-to choice. They are color-coded by thickness, so it's quick and easy to grab the shims that you need. Blue is 1/16, red is 1/8. They're perfect for fine-tuning spacing around window frames, especially when working with anchors and fasteners, as these shims can go around them. Our stack shims are another great option. Unique to Deslauriers, they are heat-sealed layers so you can peel off to adjust the height and length. This makes them incredibly precise, clean, and efficient for installs. Our composite wood shims and XL taper shims can also be used for window installations, but we see them most often for door installs where that longer taper is needed for alignment and secure placement. You can also take two composite or taper shims and place them together, thin ends facing opposite directions to create one even, flat shim for added support and stability, which is great for doors.